Number 8, cross that bridge when you come to it. Meaning, to deal with problem on the spot rather than worrying about it in advance. Examples: A, I don't know how I'll pay for college yet, but I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. B, let's not worry about the logistics of the trip now. We can cross that bridge when we come to it. Number 9, close but not secure, meaning to almost succeed in your efforts but not really. Examples: she was close but no cigar when it came to winning the race. B, we were close but no cigar when it came to signing the big contract.